That with dual citizenship as Jamaicans, some people have a Jamaican passport and a US passport. So what I hear is going on now, because I saw this lady on Facebook and she was caught up in that. And they confiscated the American passport once she got to Kennedy. So now she's warning everyone who's US citizens, if you have a Jamaican passport, do not use it to go to Jamaica. Use the US passport, because on your way back into Kennedy, they're going to confiscate the US passport.
All right.
Is that true?
Oh, okay. Good question. This is something I've been hearing a lot, right? You're not the only person who asked me, but other clients, they've been hearing this information on social media, right? Now, to have your US passport be taken away from you and confiscated, or for you to be denaturalized, right, is one of the hardest things. The government have to show by clear and convincing evidence that you did not properly or lawfully acquire citizenship, right? Not you. You don't bear the burden, right? You do not bear the burden. They bear the burden. And what did I tell you about essentially at the beginning? The right to due process. You cannot be denied, or your property cannot be taken away from you, or your status cannot be taken away from you without due process, right? So for them to just get up and confiscate the passport, I am very suspect of that, right? Because the passport is emblematic of your naturalization status in this country. So for them to take away that passport, they are essentially saying that because you went through Jamaican customs using your Jamaican passport, which you lawfully have the right to do because you're also Jamaican, right? How therefore, and Jamaican customs do not share information with American customs. So how therefore that them taking away your US passport, that baffles me. So I'm not saying that it is wrong. However, based on the standard of law and how the law operates, if that happens to someone, they need to get in touch with that immigration attorney right away, right? Because this must not go unchallenged. Right. It must not go unchallenged, right? Other things that we have to bear in mind too is that social media is good. It edifies a lot, but there are also people on there who lack the necessary credentials. People have been disseminating information, and not everything that is true. So we have to take some things with a grain of salt, as we say in Jamaica.